Hey guys, just a really quick one from me today. I hope you've all had an amazing World Parrot Day. It's a fantastic day to be able to celebrate these amazing creatures. So let's make the most of it. We've not got much long left of it, but if you all do hashtag World Parrot Day on Instagram, I'm sure everyone can see our amazing little feathered creatures. Go! I would also love to thank everyone for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. This is really exciting. I can't wait to share my journey with my flock with so many more of you. So let's keep growing and I'll keep up the content. If there's anything you'd like to see, make sure you leave it in that comment box below. Take care guys, and we'll see you really soon. What are you doing? Good girl. Can we bye-bye? Can I wave bye-bye? No? Can I wave? Bye-bye. Yeah, good girl.